I don't think you guys can catch the tornado.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! No, they're creating a tornado. Oh my goodness, I can't even see anymore. Oh my god! She lost a shoe! She lost a shoe! Oh my gosh!
Good morning, Mommy.
Is she making it?
Guys, stop!
Close your eyes!
Mira, mira.
She's like, nope, it's gonna be down. No, Mom, that's an actual tornado.
It's not.
Like,
Oh my god, it's following you!
come on,
Zahira! Zahira, it's creating a tunnel! Look up! Look up! It's creating a tunnel! It got bigger-ish. Look up! It's creating a bigger!
Guys, come over here!
Sophia, you're the door. Sophia, the door. Get recording.
No fun!
come on, Leonardo!
You guys, they woke me up because I got excited that they were actually gonna like go in.
Put on your shoes.
Ya ponte los zapatos porque estoy sacando y te vas a espinar. Ponte los zapatos ahora.
Oh, but it's cold for me.
You almost got it.
No, but then it was cold.
Quiero started going into my eyes.
Hace que haya cerrado los ojos nomás sin cruzarlo.
No, I was going to. Pero me corté.
Ahí donde estaba.
The thing got bigger.
Yeah. Then he got big.
Oh, you're cleaning your children-ish.
I started kicking up the dust. And things started getting in my eye. I was like,
China, you're gonna
I can't see. I can't see. And so I tried to go like this. And then I was breathing in dirt.
Not the smartest
My
thing,
hair
guys.
looks horrible.
What's missing over there?
Are you gonna post this on your channel?
I completed one of the things on my bucket list. Right next to a tornado. Catch a tornado. I caught a tornado.